Hello everyone, welcome to Nisha's Maths Masterclass, and today we are going to learn 7th standard practice set 7, and the topic is congruence of segment. Now what is meant by congruence of segment? So children, we all are know about the meaning of congruence. What is the meaning of congruence? If I draw one line on the board, see everyone, pay attention here. Suppose this is our line segment, okay, A and B, and the measurement of AB is 5 centimeter. Got it? And same line segment I draw, and same measurement is there. So we said that AB line segment is congruent with line PQ. Understand? So how to write it? The meaning of congruent means what? All the measurements, whatever the design diagram they are given, those are equal with each other. That is means congruent. Okay, so this is most important line. This line is important for fill in the blanks, true and false, right and wrong. Okay, so mark over there children. If the given line segments are equal in length, they are congruent. So fill in the blanks for here or maybe here. Got it everyone? What is the meaning of this sentence? If the given line segment, okay, if the given line segment are equal, means equal measure, so whatever the lines are there, so those are congruent. Got my point everyone? So children, in practice set 6, let me explain. They shown one diagram. Question number 1, one diagram they given. I am taking in a very short way. A, B, C, D, E, F, and this is O. Okay children? So when we have to write down the pair of the congruent line segment, so that time you have to take the help of divider. So you all are know the divider, correct na? In our geometry box we use divider or any scale is there. Okay, so children, what you have to do, you have to take the divider and just you have to take the measurement from O to B. Okay, O from B. We have to write down, draw first line segment children. No need to draw the arrows because line segments are there. So suppose A and O, okay, whatever the distance is there, same segment we need for next. Correct children? Then we said that the line segments are congruent. Okay, same like C, for example OC. C, whatever the measurement is there, same measurement we have to observe for next line. If the lines are not equal with each other, so those are not congruent with each other. Understand? Now see, OC is bigger than OF. So therefore both are not congruent with each other. Understood children? Afterward next, OB. Let me check with OB. See, this is our OB, and that we have to check with OA. See. So therefore, how to write down the pair? So seg OB congruent seg OA. Understand children? Now second pair, for example OD. See, OD. If is connected with OB, no. Then OC, no. So we have to connect with OC. So seg OD congruent seg OC. Got my point children? So this is the congruence of segment topic. Okay. Afterward next topic, that is means congruence of angles. Okay. Next topic, that is means congruence of angles. Everyone pay attention. Congruence of angles. Okay, now see, now we are learn about the line segment. Okay, means equal measurement of length of the line. If those are equal, so we call that congruence of line. Now congruence of angle means two angles with equal measurements, so we call that congruence of angle. For example, I draw one angle here, P Q R. Okay, Same angle I draw here. L, M, N. Both are 90 degree. So what we have to call that? Equal measurement of angle means the angles are congruent with each other. So how to write the pair? Angle ABC, angle PQR. Angle PQR congruent angle LMN. Understood, children? Same like, for example, I draw one angle ABC 30 degree. Okay. Again, one other angle which I draw STU, and this is also 30 degree. Okay. So same measurement is there, correct? Therefore, both angles are congruent with each other. So how to write it? Angle ABC congruent. This is the sign of congruent. Angle STU. Got my point, children? So this is very simple and easy topic of 7th standard lesson number 1, and the practice set is 6 and 7. Okay, try it at home, do another shapes of the angles, and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.